Hi everyone, this is Shweta Pranish. I welcome you to Sweat Studios Casual Edition today, Andy. I brought you a beautiful kurti which I am wearing. It's in mustard, Andy, and a combination with black maroon. It goes very well. And let me get into the detail, Andy. This is a 3-panel kurti, Andy, pure cotton, handloom cotton. And between in this cotton, you can see that you have a center panel. Center panel lo vachetapudiki, this is a completely patchwork and different material though. It's a patchwork. And meeku meer chuste ganaka, this is how the look inside would be. No lining and it doesn't require. The cloth is very thick. And ee center ikkadiki vachetapudiki meeku mirror work undandi, original mirrors tho ikkada work center lo. Then you have again a patch with mountain level lo ikkada maroon toti patch work chesaru. This is how the applique work looks like. This is on the hands also similar ga patch and also the mountain. It's a combination between black and maroon and the back vachetapudiki round.